Hello friends, in today's class it is chapter 10 playing with patterns. Dear students, in class 3 you learned about patterns. Do you remember that? In our surrounding there are many examples of patterns. For example, your floor patterns, the picture of different size of picture, different types of the picture on your mother's saree, grandmother's saree, your father's shirt, yourself shirt, like that. Then these are some example: tablecloth, bed sheet. These are some examples of our patterns where we can see the patterns. But what is mean by patterns? Patterns क्या होता है बेटा? In class 3 you learn some examples of patterns. But in today's class we are going to learn about what is mean by patterns and then some examples of patterns and different type of the patterns. So see, first of all, I want to inform you, I want to explain about it, what is mean by patterns. Patterns क्या होता है बेटा? ये देखिए, आपने अपने सराउंडिंग में जो डिफरेंस पैटर्न देखे, उसमें पिक्चर देखे होंगे. Some shapes are there. Sometimes number patterns, the pattern with made of the number. Then sometimes pattern with picture, design, objects, like that. Okay. So these type of the different things may be there in patterns. But which design, which arrangement we have to say pattern, and which arrangement we can say pattern, which arrangement we cannot say patterns. तो पैटर्न किस अरेंजमेंट को पैटर्न कहेंगे और किस अरेंजमेंट को पैटर्न नहीं कह सकते, और किस पर्टिकुलर अरेंजमेंट को पैटर्न कहेंगे. नाउ सी, व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट्स से, एज आई टोल्ड यू, ऑब्जेक्ट उसमें क्या होता है? ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, कुछ शेप्स होते हैं, कुछ नंबर्स होते हैं, कुछ अल्फाबेट्स होते हैं, अल्फाबेटिकल लेटर्स होते हैं, एंड एक्सेट्रा. ओके, व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट्स, shapes, okay, object, shape, letters, number, letters, numbers, okay. When object, shape, letters, number, etc. means और कुछ etc. are arranged the following, or arranged by following a rule. By following a rule. Okay. When objects, shape, letters, number, etc. are arranged by following a rule, then they are said to be, they are said to be a pattern. They are said to be a pattern. See what is pattern then? When objects, shapes, letters, number, etc. are arranged by following a rule. जब इन सबको एक रूल में अरेंज करके आपको अरेंज किया जाता है, अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल, एक रूल को फॉलो करके अरेंज किया जाता है, then are they said to be a pattern. तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? पैटर्न्स बोलते हैं. तो see, some example are here. What come next? What comes next? आगे क्या आएगा, बाद में क्या आएगा, means we have to continue the pattern and complete the pattern. तो अब इस पैटर्न को कंटिन्यू करके कंप्लीट करना है, इसे बोलते हैं व्हाट कम नेक्स्ट. तो सी, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. एग्जांपल इज हियर. दिस इज स्क्वायर बॉक्स, देन टू सर्कल, देन दिस टाइप टू बॉक्स आर देयर, दिस टाइप टू बॉक्सेस आर देयर, एंड देन लाइक दिस. ओके, यहां तक आपका ये पैटर्न है. देखिए, वन स्क्वायर बॉक्स, टू सर्कल, एंड दिस टाइप टू डिफरेंट बॉक्स आर देयर, एंड देन अगेन स्क्वायर, circle like this, and see it is like this, and now it is again, see it is like this. Now we have to continue and complete it. हमें इसको आगे कंटिन्यू करके कंप्लीट करना है. तो whenever you have to complete this, जब हमें ये कंप्लीट करना है, तब then we have to see that what rule is used here to continue this pattern. इस पैटर्न में कौन सा रूल यूज किया है वो देखिए पहले, और उसके देखिए all these are shape here, mean it is the shape patterns. Okay, see, it is square, circle, these two box, and then again it is repeated this square. After this square, two circle are there, same two circle are there. After these two circles, these two box are there, here also two box are there, and after these two box, one square is there. So see, one square is there, and then after square, two circle are there. So see, after these two circle, again we have to continue this shape here. इस तरफ का बेटा ये देखिए. Yes, next. Again continue after this square, then it will be circle, and then like this, okay, like this. तो see, it is our complete pattern. ये हमारा पैटर्न यहाँ पर complete हुआ है. This is your complete pattern. Now number 2 देखिए. Number 2 example. It is a complete pattern. Number 2 example. See, this is star picture. Okay, this is star. Now this one is small star. ये आपका छोटा स्टार दिया है यहाँ पर. After this big size star, and then 2 small star there. 2 small. Then again it is what? Big star. Then again it is single star. Then big star, like that it is given there. Now what we have to do? We have to continue and complete it. हमें इसको complete करना है बेटा. Continue करके. तो see, big star, इसके बीच में 1 star. But here there are 2 stars in between, and after again 2, again 1 small star is there. So after this star, 1 more big star will be there, and in between these 2 stars, 2 small star. Then here after again big star here, and then here see it is 1 star. Then after this there will be 2 small star. Like this it will be continue. आप इसे इस तरह बेटा क्या कर सकते हैं, इस तरह कंटिन्यू करके कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. So these are the, now see, all these are the picture here. So it is what beta? It is picture patterns. Now number 3, see, this is one box. Inside of this box, one circle is here. And now this circle is divided. This circle is what? See, this circle is divided into 5 parts. हम इसको 5 parts में डिवाइड करेंगे बेटा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay? ये देखिए आपका ये 5 parts हुए. Now all these are like this only. ये सभी आपके पिक्चर जो इसी तरह के हैं. All these picture are like this. All these picture are like this only. Okay, now see, like this. Okay, to see, like this. Now, in this picture, box is there. Inside of this box, circle is there, and inside of circle, this part are color here. 2 part यहाँ पर color किए देखो इस तरह के. 2 parts are color here. Okay, these 2 parts are color. Yes. Next, here these 2 parts are color. यहाँ पर next क्या होगा बेटा? These 2 parts are color. Next यहाँ पर ये 2 part color किए. Next. See, these 2 parts are color. Next, these 2 parts are color. Next, see, these 2 parts are color. Next, these 2 parts are color. And see, next क्या होगा फिर आपका? Next, now we have to continue. So, this way you can मतलब make first box. आपको पहले देखिए बॉक्स बनानी है, क्योंकि सभी में बॉक्स दिया है. तो here also will box will be there. Only changes in the coloring part. So we have to make circle again. Circle सभी में है देखिए. So we have to make circle. Yes. Now each circle is divided into 5 parts. So we have to make 5 parts here. 5 parts. Okay. Make the 5 part here also. Yes. Then see it is make 5 parts like that. Now what is changes here? Changes is there in only coloring part. So see, these 2 parts are there, and then these 2 parts will be in continuation. Means इसका कंटिन्यू करते हुए आपको देखिए ये 2 पार्ट कलर होंगे. Then see these 2 color part. Yes. Next see these 2 color part. Color these 2 parts like this. मतलब we have to continue it and complete it. Okay. So see, it is picture. So it is picture pattern, and now see. Each circle is divided into 5 parts, and out of 5 parts, 2 parts are color, but they are rotation दे आर चेंजिंग, दे आर टर्निंग इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन बेटा। ये क्या हो आपके क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में आपका चेंज हो रहा है। फर्स्ट दिस टू, देन दिस टू, देन दिस टू, देन दिस टू, लाइक दैट इट इज चेंजिंग हियर। So this way we complete this picture patterns. Now next question is here. See what is next question? Observe each pattern and see. Observe each pattern and write. Observe each pattern and write the rule followed by them. Rule followed by them. Write the rule followed by them. तो उसने कौन सा रूल यूज किया है वो लिखिए यहाँ पर। देखिए नंबर 1, सी दिस इज नंबर, इट इज पैटर्न एंड हियर इट इज रूल। यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है रूल। It is pattern, it is rule. So see, it is A, B, C and D. For example of the pattern we'll discuss here now. It is A, B, C and D. So first of all, I will write here one patterns. Now we have to observe this pattern and then we have to decide whether identify which rule is used here and then that rule we have to write here. So see, it is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and so on. This is pattern. So in this pattern all are numbers. So it is what beta? It is number pattern. Now see what rule is used here, is follow here to continue this pattern. इस pattern को continue करने के लिए कौन सा rule use किया है that we have to identify. So see in this pattern number are there and number are increasing. Number are increasing means someone number is added. उसमें कुछ add किया हुआ है that we have to identify. So see, each number is increasing by 10, it is 15, means it is greater than 5. 15, 20, again it is greater than 5. 20, 25, again it is greater than 5. Like this, each number is increased by 5. So when it will be increased by 5? If you add 5 to each. अगर आप 5 add किया है तो it will be increased by 5. So it means all these numbers are increasing by 5. It means the 5 is added to each number. इसमें रूल कौन सा होगा देखिए, adding 5. Adding 5 to each. Starting कहाँ से हुई? Starting from 10. So you can write here. Starting from 10 से किया है तो 10 में ऐड करके 5 15, 15 में ऐड 10, 15 में 5 ऐड किया 20, 20 में 5 ऐड 25, like that it is continue. Number 2 एग्जाम्पल देखिए. See, it is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and like that. Okay, इस तरह लिखिए 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64 like this. So what is pattern here? It is also number pattern and what rule is used here? कौन सा रूल आपको यहाँ यूज किया है? कौन सा रूल यूज किया देखिए. The first number 2 है, next number 4 है, तो what is relation between 2 and 4? 4 is double of 2 and 4 का डबल बेटा 8, 8 का डबल 16, 16 का डबल 32, 32 का डबल 64. तो सी इसमें लिखे क्या लिखेंगे बेटा, नेक्स्ट नंबर जो है आपका, नेक्स्ट नंबर इज डबल ऑफ प्रीवियस नंबर. ओके, सी 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. तो नेक्स्ट नंबर इज डबल ऑफ प्रीवियस नंबर. तो जो नेक्स्ट नंबर है वो नेक्स्ट नंबर पिछले वाले नंबर का क्या है यहाँ पर डबल है. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज डबल ऑफ प्रीवियस नंबर. नाउ सी थर्ड वन इज इट इज 50, 34, 38, then it is 32, it is 26, like that. Okay, see now first of all you have to observe what is rule there. कौन सा रूल है? See, it is number pattern and these number are decreasing. कम होता जा रहा है बेटा. So how much number is less here? कितना नंबर कम हुआ यहाँ पर देखिए 50, 44 means 6 is there less, 6 is less there. Again 44, 38, again 6 is less here. Then again 38 में से 32, again 6 is less here. 6 is less here. It means subtracting 6. subtracting 6 from each, 6 from each, starting कहां से हुआ, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 50 से स्टार्ट हुआ, देखिए 50 से बैक हुआ आपका ये स्टार्ट, सब्ट्रैक्टिंग करते करते 50 में से 6 44 से 6, देन अगेन 38 36, 38 minus 6 32, like that. Okay, then number next example, see, it is 1 4 9 16 25 and so on. See, now number are increasing here, number are increasing in order. तो ये कैसे इंक्रीज हो रहा है, देखिए बेटा, ये जो 1 है 1, देन इट इज 4, तो 1 में कुछ इंक्रीज हुआ मतलब ऐड हुआ है, तो व्हाट नंबर इज एडेड हियर, इट इज 3, नो 3 इज एडेड हियर. नेक्स्ट देखिए ये 4 है बेटा, तो 4 में समथिंग इज एडेड, देन इट विल बी 9, तो व्हाट नंबर कैन यू हैव टू ऐड टू गेट इट 5 9, आपको 9 मिलने से कितना ऐड करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर 5. Then see 9 is there and it is 16. So what number we have to add here? 7. So see, then 16 plus what number equal to 25? It is 9. Okay? It is 9. So this way we have to add. Now you tell me here. आप मुझे बताइए भी. So this number we are adding here. हमें इस तरह के नंबर हमने ऐड किए हैं. कौन कौन से? 3, 5, 7, 9. अब मुझे ये बताइए what are these numbers? ये नंबर क्या है? These are odd numbers. These are odd numbers. ये हम odd number ऐड करते जा रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट में देखिए, फर्स्ट में odd number 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, like that we are adding ये odd number and starting from 3 से स्टार्ट करते गए बेटा, यहाँ पर 3 से क्या करते गए, स्टार्ट करते गए. ओके, तो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर, क्या लिखेंगे, एडिंग odd numbers, odd number starting from 3, starting from 3 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, starting from 3. नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए, चलिए, राइट द नेक्स्ट 4 टर्म्स, write the next 4 terms. Write the next 4 terms in each of the following number pattern. In each of the following number patterns. इसका मीनिंग क्या बेटा, write the next 4 terms in each of the following number pattern. Here I am going to write some examples of number patterns, and then we have to complete the next 4 terms of each number patterns. Each number pattern के यहाँ पर 4 terms, next 4 terms जो है complete करने हैं. तो see, it is 3, 6, 9, 12. तो see, here we have to complete this next 4 terms. हमें अभी यहाँ पर next 4 terms complete करने हैं. See, 3, 6, 9, 12. So see again number, these number patterns and number are increasing order. So see, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, means number are increasing by 3 3 3. So what we have to do here, we have to add again 3. So 12 plus 3 will be 15, 15 plus 3 will be 18, 18 plus 3 will be 21, 21 plus 24. Okay, so this is next, these are the next 4 terms, 1 2 3 4. Number B, see, 8 15, 22, 29, yes. देखिए क्या हुआ यहाँ पर, सी 8, 15, 22, 29, क्या हुआ फिर, सी आगे नंबर है इंक्रीजिंग. सो 8 से ग्रेटर 15 है, इट इज ग्रेटर बाय हाउ मच, कितना ग्रेटर है बेटा ये, इट इज ग्रेटर देन 7. 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 7 22, 22 plus 7 29, 29 plus 7 it is 36, 36 plus 7 it is 43, 43 plus 7 it is 50, and then again it is 57. It is 57. Next, see number C example. It is 1A, 2B, 3C. The next 4 terms व्हाट विल नेक्स्ट पोर्टल? आपके नेक्स्ट पोर्टल क्या होंगे देखिए, 1A, 2B, 3C. It will be 4, here 5, 6 and 7. Number are increasing by 1, 1, 1. But with number, one capital letter is there also. So say A, next B, next C, here will be D. But if you write like this, it will be wrong. आपने D अगर इस तरह लिखा तो wrong हुआ, क्योंकि all letters are capital, so we have to continue with capital letters only. So here will be capital D. Then see it is capital E, it is capital F, it is capital G. Next, see it is 70, then it is 67, 64, it is 61. Next continue कीजिए. Yes, okay. नेक्स्ट इस यहाँ पर कंटिन्यू कीजिए. 70, 67, 64, 61. सी नंबर आर लेस हियर. इट इज लेस बाय हाउ मच? 3 से लेस हुआ. देखिए यहाँ पर 70, 67 कितना हुआ? 3 लेस. अगर इट इज 3 लेस इट विल बी 58. इट इज 58. देन सी हियर इट इज 55. देन इट इज 51 and it will be here 48. So like this, these are the some examples of pattern which we discuss here. We learn about to know how to identify the rule and then how to continue it by following the same rule. Thank you.